Welcome to Our Daily Health. Chapped lips, 11 natural cures for chapped lips. Did you know that your lips are made of muscle and they're the thinnest skin on your body? This makes them susceptible to damage by harsh weather or dehydration. There's no doubt that lips are the feature that contributes to your overall attractiveness. If your lips are plump and moist, they indicate your good health and proper self-care. But chapped lips indicate otherwise. Cracked lips are not only painful and annoying, but they can lower your confidence too. However, there's many natural cures to offer you soft and supple lips. Chapped lips, 11 natural cures for chapped lips. Number 1. Cocoa butter and shea butter. According to the International Journal of Molecular Sciences 2017, cocoa butter and shea butter have fatty acids that condition, nourish, and hydrate skin. For example, cocoa butter has vitamin A and E, so it's an excellent emollient with natural antioxidants. Likewise, shea butter has potent fatty acids, including linoleic acid, stearic, palmitic, and oleic, that deeply moisturize skin. Their light consistency makes them highly absorbable by your skin. What to do? Apply cocoa butter or shea butter and leave overnight and use for 1 week. Number 2. Petroleum jelly. This is one of the simplest methods and most common. Petroleum jelly, or Vaseline, forms a protective layer on your lips that moisturizes your skin. By so doing, it quickens your skin's renewal process. Moreover, as the jelly absorbs into your skin's surface becomes smooth. Also, Vaseline is occlusive, meaning they hold in moisture, unlike humectants, which draw moisture from the air. What to do? Take a small amount of Vaseline with your fingertips and apply it gently to your lips. You can reapply throughout the day. Number 3. Coconut oil. You can never go wrong with coconut oil. And yes, it works perfectly for dry and peeling skin on your lips. Coconut oil is a natural moisturizer. It has fatty acids that condition your lips and make them soft and supple. For instance, one randomized trial of 34 patients with dry skin proved that coconut oil is effective as mineral oil in moisturizing skin. How to use? You'll need virgin coconut oil and a carrier oil such as neem oil. Mix coconut oil and neem oil, 2 drops each, then apply to your lips 3 times a day. Number 4. Sugar scrub. That's right, sugar makes an excellent natural exfoliant for your chapped lips. The coarse granules of sugar will get rid of the dry, flaky skin on your lips when you scrub. In turn, your lips become soft and smooth. What to do? Mix 3 drops of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and half a teaspoon of honey. Apply the mixture on your lips and scrub your lips in circular motions. Then rinse with lukewarm water. Do this on alternate days first, then use twice a week to maintain soft, supple lips. Tip: be gentle on your lips because the skin on your lips is delicate. Number 5. Aloe vera. The sticky and stretchy juice from the aloe vera plant has moisturizing properties ideal for cracked lips. Moreover, it soothes inflammation and bleeding cracks on your lips. Aloe vera gel acts as a humectant by attracting moisture from the air. The moisture seeps into your skin through pores and reaches the inner layers of your skin, leaving your lips softened. Furthermore, the polysaccharides in aloe vera lock in moisture and stimulate the growth of new cells. What to do? Split aloe leaf into 2 and extract the gel. Apply it before bedtime and leave it overnight. Then store the one in an airtight jar and refrigerate. If you are enjoying this video, then please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Our Daily Health. Number 6. Beeswax. Beeswax has fatty acids, hydrocarbons, and antibacterial properties that prevent inflammation on your lips. In the process, it clears infections. Besides this, it encourages skin cell turnover by removing the outer layer of your cracked lips to offer you smoother lips. Beeswax also has natural emulsifiers that retain moisture, keeping your lips' skin supple. According to the Mayo Clinic, beeswax is one of the best ways to restore damaged lips. What to do? Buy a lip oil or balm that has beeswax. Apply it to your lips and massage, and apply it several times throughout the day. Number 7. Rosehip and raw milk. Another excellent remedy for cracked lips is rosehip and milk. Rosehips have vitamin E, therefore they nourish your skin. Besides this, they maintain the skin color of your lips. On the other hand, milk has lactic acid, which exfoliates the outer surface of your lips, revealing new skin. Furthermore, the vitamins and minerals in milk hydrate and nourish your lips. What to do? Soak 5 rose petals in milk for 2 hours. Then mash them into a thick mixture. Apply the mixture on your lips, leave it for 20 minutes, and then rinse with cold water. Repeat this for a week. Number 8. Honey and Vaseline. Honey is a humectant, meaning it draws moisture from air to your skin. It also has antibacterial effects that will help prevent infections on your cracked lips. In contrast, Vaseline holds in moisture by keeping your lips moisturized. So when you combine these two ingredients, you make a potent remedy for cracked lips. What to do? Apply a layer of raw honey on your lips, followed by Vaseline on top of it. Allow it to stay for 15 minutes and then wipe off with a damp cloth. Do this every day for 1 week for lasting results. Number 9. Green tea. The polyphenols in green tea have anti-inflammatory and antioxidants, and because of the many health benefits linked to them. So, green tea is a fantastic product, whether you use it topically or drink it. And did you know that green tea is also used for beauty purposes? So, it'll not only restore your cracked lips, it's excellent for your face too. What to do? Dip a green tea bag in warm water and then place it on your lips for 10 minutes. Repeat this every day. Number 10. Raw honey. Are you wondering how honey will restore your cracked lips? Well, honey is a humectant. Not only that, but it also has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, which will resolve any infection caused by your cracked lips. Moreover, according to the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology, honey is a popular skin repair product that possesses nourishing and exfoliating properties. What to do? Apply organic honey to your lips, leave it for 20 minutes, and then wipe it with a damp cloth. Repeat this every day for 1 week. Number 11. Drink plenty of water. Last but certainly not least, stay hydrated. Lips are a part of your skin. Therefore, when you're dehydrated, they suffer dryness. So try and drink plenty of water, at least 8 glasses a day. However, you can incorporate other foods into your diet to help you meet your daily water intake. They include fresh fruit juices, watery vegetables, and fruits such as watermelons, zucchini, spinach, and oranges. It doesn't have to be challenging to stay hydrated. Try this every day and you'll be happy about the results. Bottom line, chapped lips can be uncomfortable. However, if you use shea butter and cocoa butter, exfoliate your lips with a sugar scrub, and apply honey and Vaseline to your lips, your lips' health will be restored. Please choose 1 or 2 methods from these remedies and implement them to revive your supple and soft lips. Which of these natural cures for chapped lips do you like best? Comment your answer below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health and wellness topics, please subscribe to Our Daily Health.